Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Butterfly Book Club. Make sure you have subscribed. Today we are reading Water Can Be, written by Laura Salas and illustrated by Violeta Dabija. Water is water. It's puddle, pond, sea. When springtime comes splashing, the water flows free. Water can be a tadpole hatcher, picture catcher, otter feeder, downhill speeder, garden soaker, valley cloaker, thirst quencher, kid drencher, drink cooler, rainbow jeweler, home maker, ship breaker. Water is water. It's fog, frost, and sea. When autumn comes chasing, water can be a cloud fluffer, fire snuffer, school drinker, bruise shrinker, salmon highway, eagle flyway, storm creator, decorator, woodchuck warmer, snowman former. Water is water. It's ice, snow, and sea. Now go and discover what else it can be. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Check out our other videos at the Butterfly Book Club on youtube.com, and also click the link in our bio to check out our website that has free learning materials that go along with all of our book read-alouds. Again, please make sure you subscribe.